Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic GStarCAD tutorials how to use scale command. Okay, here for example I will draw a rectangle and we set a dimension into 10 and 10. The next you can use dimension linear, dim to create from this corner point into here. We create again after this point. So if you want to scale these objects 10 times, you can use scale command, tap scale, press enter, select the object, center again, and for base point, I will click in center point. Now you can set for scale factor into 10, press enter. So it will be automatically scales into 10 times. If you want to scale these objects like half, you can use scale again, you can tap scale, press enter. Select this all objects, enter again, specify for base point, I will click in center point, and for half you can type 1 divide 2, press enter. So it will be automatically scale half. Okay, that's it, how to use scale command in GStarCAD, and if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.